Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here with breaking news. This news will break your disappointment. This news will break hopelessness. And this news is literally awesome. Before I break this news, let me tell you, when you go to Canada, you apply for education. There is one stream that is called SDS, Student Direct Stream. Now, what is SDS? For SDS, you have to deposit 10,000 Canadian dollars in your account before getting the visa. That's the part of your admission process, and you pay $10,000 in an account. You submit that amount there, deposit that amount, and then you are eligible for SDS. And when it is SDS, your visa is processed quicker than the normal stream. Now, for Canada, you know already that they are demanding 6 each, not less than 6. And because of 5.5 in reading, 5 in reading, 5.5 in writing, many students, they fail to apply. And even if they apply with less than 6 band, they get rejection. Now, what happened? Very recently, Canadian government, they gave approval to PTE. When they gave approval to PTE for student direct stream, IELTS people were angry. They said, come on, we've been with you for the last 20 years and now you are giving approval to PTE and all that. So then Canadian government, in order to please IELTS people, they said, okay, no problem. For Canadian education, if the students get overall 6 band, and even if they get 5.5 or 5 in any of the modules, but their overall band score is 6, we will give them the visa. And IELTS is actually marketing this thing. I mean, you can see, I've seen it through IDP. Because you know, when they gave this thing, I mean, it was a sort of siren for IELTS that PTE is coming against IELTS and all that is going to be equal to IELTS and PTE is easier than IELTS and all that. So now, if you get 6 each in IELTS, 6 overall in IELTS, and you get 5.5 in one of the 4 modules, still you are eligible to apply for SDS, Student Direct Stream, and I know many students are going to benefit this thing. Now, what to do? I tell you, you have to work extremely hard with your listening because now you need overall 6 band. You'll have to work extremely hard with your speaking. Listening and speaking, these 2 modules are what I call fun modules. They are chocolatey modules, okay, listening and speaking. So if you score 7 in listening, that's not a big deal. If you score 7 or 6.5 in speaking, and it's not a big deal, and by chance, if your reading band is 5.5, your overall band, because of listening and because of speaking, it's going to be 6, and you will be eligible for SDS and you will be able to get the visa. Huh? Isn't it wonderful? Yes, it is. So guys, get ready. Pay special attention on listening, and my videos are available. I've covered all 4 parts of listening, 40 by 40 questions. My videos are available on IELTS speaking. I've elaborated very well. WH questions, how to understand the tense, how to understand the question, how to answer, 3-step formula to answer. Each and everything is there. So it is for you now to rise and shine. But the thing is, it's only for those who can afford it. Because 10,000 Canadian dollars, it's not a small amount for some people. For some people, it can be normal, but for some people, it's a big amount. So those who can apply for SDS by paying $10,000 extra, for them, it's wonderful news. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online on campus, PTE online on campus. If you wish to be the part of my online IELTS or PTE classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.